China is a major producer of unique and inexpensive goods, and importing and selling items sourced from China is one of the best ways to make money online from anywhere in the world. If you pick the best items to sell, you can make a good amount of money, and all the extra cash can add up more quickly than you think. And that's why in this video I'll be sharing with you the 10 most profitable items to import from China and sell from anywhere in the world, as well as the website you can purchase these items from. So make sure you watch the video till the end to get the full gist. Hi Magis gang, my name is Magielala, Magi for short. If you're new here, you are welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's always a pleasure to have you here with me again. Group hug. I hope everyone's having a good week so far and you are not letting anyone or anything dim your lights. Nail polish can be sold individually or in sets of multiple colors. You should also note that there are a few different types of nail polish you can sell, including regular nail polish, gel polish, and dip polish. The details of your nail polish will depend on your target consumer, but you can also choose to sell kits that include manicure implements like a UV lamp and a set of files. Nail polish have an average monthly search volume of 94,000 on Amazon and 71,000 on Google. You can import 100 pieces of nail polish from Alibaba.com for 1 cent to 80 cents per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $35 for a set of 19, resulting in a potential profit margin range of 56.6% to 99.5%. Security cameras are high-priced items that fetch a decent margin for importers. Additionally, they are often sold as a set to equip multiple sides of a building, which increases the profitability even more. There are plenty variations when it comes to security camera models, including image quality, lens attributes, Wi-Fi and Internet Protocol connectivity, and night vision. Security cameras have an average monthly search volume on Amazon of 189,000 and 29,000 on Google. You can import 100 of these type of security cameras from Alibaba.com for $11.96 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $40 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 70.1%. Air fryers are not the easiest products to import, store, and fulfill, but you cannot ignore their immense popularity. While recognized name brands like Instapot and Philips attract high-end buyers, many shoppers still seek affordable options, which is where your import business comes in. Certain features and attributes like voltage, cooking function range, and display screen contribute to the selling price and margin of various available air fryer models. Air fryers have an average monthly search volume of 558,000 on Amazon and a whopping 1.28 million on Google. You can import 100 air fryers from Alibaba.com for $27.47 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $92.99 each, which results in a potential profit margin of 70.5%. Wi-Fi extenders connect to the consumer's Wi-Fi network, then duplicate and rebroadcast it to extend its range. In the age of streaming and remote working, Wi-Fi extenders are more popular now than ever. Wi-Fi extenders get hundreds of thousands of search queries every month under search terms like Wi-Fi extender, Wi-Fi repeater, and Wi-Fi booster. The effectiveness and selling price of a Wi-Fi extender would depend on several factors, including the megabytes per second transmission rate and the antenna type and/or range. Wi-Fi extenders have an average monthly search volume of 148,000 on Amazon and 184,000 on Google. You can import 1,000 Wi-Fi extenders from Alibaba.com for only $9.44 to about $11.55 per piece, and then you can resell them on a site like Amazon for $46 each, resulting in a potential profit margin range of 74.89% to 79.48%. Cosmetic brush sets usually include 10 to 20 different types of brushes, with each one designed for a specific application. It's standard for the bristles to be made of synthetic material, but the softness depends on the manufacturer, so be sure to order samples. When selling cosmetic brushes, you can differentiate your offerings by sourcing brushes with unique or an attractive carrying case. Cosmetic brush sets have an average monthly search volume of 67,000 on Amazon and 30,000 on Google. You can import 100 of this 18-piece cosmetic brush set from Alibaba.com for only $4.69 per set and resell them on a site like Amazon for $23, resulting in a potential profit margin of 79.60%. The next is memory foam pillows. Both orthopedic pillows and memory foam pillows return tens of thousands of search queries each month. These products appear bulky but can usually be compressed greatly, allowing for much easier shipping. Certain materials such as bamboo or ventilated gel can drive up the selling price of a pillow, as well as specialized shapes like anti-apnea or cervical support. Consider your target market when sourcing memory foam pillows. For example, your target market could be pregnant women. Memory foam pillows have an average monthly search volume of 59,000 on Amazon and 30,000 on Google. You can import 100 pieces of memory foam pillows from Alibaba.com for $8.20 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $52 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 84.23%. Phone mounts for cars come in a wide variety of styles, giving you a better chance of attracting buyers despite the thick competition. The retail price can vary depending on features like magnetic hold and charging capabilities, but nearly all products in this arena are small, easy to ship, and evergreen. Cell phone car mounts have an average monthly search volume of 138,000 on Amazon and 22,000 on Google. You can import 100 of this phone mount from Alibaba.com for $2.99 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $19 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 84.26%. It should come at no surprise that disposable face masks are in high demand given the COVID-19 pandemic. These products are lightweight and easy to ship. If you choose to import and sell face masks, be sure to list them properly and receive any certification or lab-tested ratings from the supplier. Masks with certain designations like N95 are usually regulated and may require additional custom clearance. Disposable face masks have an average monthly search volume of 140,000 on Amazon and 710,000 on Google. You can import 2,000 pieces of disposable face masks from Alibaba.com for 4 cents per piece and resell on a site like Amazon for 32 cents per piece, that is $16 for a pack of 50, resulting in a potential profit margin of 87.5%. Backpacks are versatile, profitable, and easy to fit into any niche. While the simple keyword backpack yields hundreds of thousands of search volumes every month, more refined keywords such as school backpacks, backpacks for girls, backpacks for boys, and laptop backpacks are highly popular as well. When choosing backpacks to import, consider which features your target consumers would want. For example, USB charging ports, anti-theft compartments, or school supplies organization. Backpacks have an average monthly search volume of 381,000 on Amazon and 184,000 on Google. You can import 500 of these kind of backpacks from Alibaba.com for $5.42 per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $54.99 each, resulting in a potential profit margin of 90.14%. Number 1 on the list is tempered glass phone screen protectors. Screen protectors are a great product to import from China and turn a healthy profit. Tempered glass phone screen protectors have an average monthly search volume of 91,000 on Amazon and 7,000 on Google. You can import 100 pieces of tempered glass screen protectors from Alibaba.com for about 29 cents per piece and resell them on a site like Amazon for $9.99 for a pack of 3, resulting in a potential profit margin of 91.38%. I know after you've heard all of these, you might be wondering, is it really profitable to import from China? Profitability may depend on, but not limited to, the following factors. However, if you keep your costs under control, be rest assured that your products will generate profit. Other websites you could consider selling these items on include Shopify and Etsy, so make sure you check out those platforms. Okay fam, that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope that you can share it with someone that would also find the information I have shared beneficial. If you did find it helpful, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please also remember to subscribe and join Magi's gang. I will see you all in my next video, but till then, as always, stay blessed and remember God loves you. Bye.